Hello everyone, this is Corolla with Yewno. While freshwater supplies across the globe are decreasing, researchers are hard at work finding new and better methods for water desalination and water reuse. And they're looking for ways to create scalable approaches involving the use of solar or waste heat as an energy source. So let's see what we can find on Yewno Discover to assist in this research. In my search box, I typed in solar desalination and hit enter. And what we see now is a definition of solar desalination right here. And over here we have our knowledge graph. And the knowledge graph shows us all the different concepts that are in our system that are related to solar desalination. Let me make that a little bit bigger. So we have reverse osmosis, we have solar power, solar thermal energy, membrane distillation, but that's not really something we want to focus on because most of the research has been done on that. Water supply and sanitation in Saudi Arabia, renewable energy in the United States. We have lots of concepts that we could take a look at, but I want to see what else there is. So I'm going to take my little lever down and see all the concepts that are available. So we've added quite a few, and we can see what else might be of interest. So I want to take a look at solar thermal energy. So if I don't find it here, I'm going to click on search and type in solar thermal energy. And here it comes right away. Oops, here it is. Here it is as one of our selections. And when I select it, it's going to, again, give us a definition. And then it's going to show us how solar desalination is connected to solar thermal energy, all the different concepts that the two share. And we make these connections through artificial intelligence and using machine learning. And it allows us to bring all these connections together, different articles, different journal articles, different books, different conference proceedings, etc. So as we look at these, we can select any one of these to take a deeper look at, or we can enter another term that might be helpful. And I want to add waste heat. Here we go. And this is now going to give us a third node in our knowledge graph that we can look at and take a closer look. As the process continues, we're going to see an overview of this new concept. There is waste heat is produced by machines that do work, and it's really leftover energy. And then we have documents that support the relationship between the waste heat and these other concepts. So if we want to take a look, for example, at this connection, solar thermal energy and waste heat, we can select it, and it shows us combined cycle, sustainable energy, cogeneration. And we can look at the documents as well. So what might be of interest here? Here's an article from 2016 from Wiley. And on this particular article, we see a snippet of this article from The Simple Physics of Sophisticated Technology by Wiley. And it gives us that most important part of an article that deals with the two concepts that we're combining. And then you can either find this article in your library or on the link that we provide you. And if you like this article, you can favorite it right here and it will save it for us to export later. So we can go back to the knowledge map now and take a look at some other connections. For example, thermal efficiency and waste heat, or microcombined heat and power. All sorts of different topics that are worth exploring. So thermal efficiency, and I want to expand that concept as well and see what that is connected to. We have our knowledge graph right now of 3 main hubs, and expanding it to include thermal efficiency. Let's see all the different concepts that this might be connected to. And we will again have a new knowledge graph. And this is very interesting. So we have thermal efficiency is connected to all our other nodes. And we can follow up the research with these. We can take a look at the documents supporting this. Heat of combustion, the Otto cycle, the Ericsson cycle. We can open up this whole screen and we can take a snapshot of this map. And this is now as part of our journey. And if we want to save this, we just go to our journey. We select this favorite knowledge map and our document. And then we have the option of exporting all of this to Google Docs, creating an RIS format document or a CSV format document. Please let me know if you have any questions for me or any comments. Support@yewno.com. Thank you so much.